Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook poll that will help you not only get answers to maybe a particular question you have, but also increase engagement on your Facebook page. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So let's go ahead and dive into this Facebook tutorial. So adding a poll on your Facebook group or on your Facebook page is a great way to get answers to something maybe you have a particular question that you need help with, but it also helps you increase your engagement. And if your engagement increases, that means that Facebook also shows your post to more people. And more people see it, obviously, more people see your brand, your company, your page. So it's just a great way to increase engagement. I don't necessarily say do it every single day, but you could do it like maybe twice a week, ask a question. It also helps you get to know your audience. So if you have particular items that you want to add to your Etsy store or something that you want to start in your business, you could ask your audience, would you guys be excited, yes or no? And they will give you their honest opinion. So it's just a great way to get answers to pretty much anything that you need. So when you are ready to do a poll, you will go to a post, and if you click on it, you'll have all these different options. So you're going to select poll right here. You're going to click on it, and it's going to ask you to ask something. So I could put here, what is your favorite platform to promote your Etsy products? Or well, I guess I will ask, which is your favorite? So I will say which, because I'm going to give them options. And then I'm going to put here Pinterest. I'm going to put here Instagram, and I'm going to put here Facebook. Now, the nice thing about it also is that if you want to add pictures, you could do so. So if you have, let's say, 3 particular earrings, you're making earrings and you have 3 different colors, you could say, which earring do you prefer, the red one, the yellow, or the blue? And then you could actually add the pictures. So you could just do wording if you want, and you could also add photos as well. Once you're done, all you have to do is just go ahead and press post. Keep in mind also, you can always come here and see, you can always come there and kind of control if you want to allow anyone to add options or allow people to choose multiple options. So what this means is maybe somebody might say, well, I like Pinterest and Instagram, or I prefer Pinterest and Facebook. Are you going to do you want them to just choose one option and that's all? Or do you want them to be able to choose multiple options? So you'll be able to adjust the poll here. I usually leave it how it is, because if people say, well, these are the top 2, and a lot of people say that, then maybe there's some insight there for me to learn from. So I would just leave it how it is. It really depends on if you want to be very, very specific with something, then I would say go ahead and change it. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is post it. And this is how it's going to look. And people will be able to come here and click, and then their name will pop up next to it. But it's that simple. This is how you create a poll on Facebook. I highly recommend doing it next time, because it's going to help you increase your click-through rate. It's going to help you increase your engagement overall, which is very, very important on Facebook. And it's a fun way to ask a question. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you again for watching.